In this video I'll be making a simple mac and cheese where the mix of the simple components turn it into a delicious comfort food dish. I start by placing a pack of bacon on a baking tray. I then place the tray in a 200 degrees Celsius oven for about 10 minutes or until the bacon is crispy. Now here comes the special and wonderful ingredient, pickled jalapenos. I love spicy food and this also brings some nice acidity. I will also make a quick flavor mixture consisting of Worcester sauce, Louisiana hot sauce and garlic powder. The bacon is now done and crispy. In order to easily melt the cheese in the cheese sauce, I use American burger cheese. In a more fancy mac and cheese, I would probably use a different kind of cheese, but this is super easy to work with and goes well together with the other ingredients. I cut the bacon into small pieces and place it in a bowl. It's now time to start making the roux and bechamel sauce in which the cheese will melt. I start by melting a large knob of butter over medium heat. I then add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of flour and quickly whisk this together. I let it cook for about a minute before adding a small amount of milk. Again, quickly whisk the mixture to avoid clumps. I then keep adding small amounts of milk while whisking. I add quite a bit of milk to avoid making the cheese sauce too thick. If it's on the thinner side now, the final texture will be better and easier to handle. I now begin to add the cheese, a few pieces at a time. I let a few pieces melt before adding more. When all the cheese is melted, I add all the other ingredients I previously prepared. I also add some frozen parsley and black pepper before stirring it all together. At this time I have a pot of boiled macaroni ready to use, and so I pour the cheese sauce over it and mix it all together. Delicious comfort food dish.